Yes, hello. I'm doing a quick tutorial on how to do drywall in an apartment or anywhere that you have drywall. I'm just doing this video to get some tips on some people or somebody who might not know how to do it the proper way, the easy way, and the right way. Also, I'm also doing this because I want to teach somebody or show somebody how to do it without having to use sandpaper later, because sandpaper, it leaves so much mess, and that's another reason why I'm doing this video. This, what I have here in this container in my hand, this is 20 drywall mix. Yesterday I put the first coat on the wall. You can see these little gaps right here. The edges are rough. You can see it. So, and right here, especially this one right here, see, it's full of lumps and lines. And right here on the side of here, all of this, put it close, all this uneven. So I'm going to show you how to get that out without having to use sandpaper. Well, let me do this bigger one right here. So, mind you, I did the first coat yesterday, and the way how I do it, I only need 2 coats. Some people, they need 3 and 4 coats to get rid of these, plus they have to sand. But I only need 2 coats to get rid of this problem without having to sand at all. So what I do is this, I put it on like this, and then what I do is I spread it out over the whole area. After I spread it out over the whole area, I come to the side and I press more on this side. If I'm going to the right side, which is over here of the area, I do the trowel like this. I kind of hold it to the side and push down on the edge. That gets rid of the edges. So this way you don't have to sand later. So you have to press hard. See? It's completely gone. And then also, by me doing this, you want to also spread your mud out. You want to spread your mud out. You want to spread it out, and then you press hard on your edges on the side, and that'll help get rid of any lines. See right here? See there? It's gone. No lines, nothing. These 2 up here, same thing. So what you want to do is this. You press hard on the second coat. After it's dry, you press hard. And that, look at that. See, all those lines are completely gone. And also, it is smooth to the touch. Look at that. So for those who want to know how I do drywall and I don't have to use sandpaper, this is the way I do it. This is finished. I don't have to use sandpaper at all. All I need to do now is just 1 or 2 coats of nice paint, and then that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.